Hey, poor guy here. This is a special episode. It's going to be twofold. I'm going to be cooking some holiday appetizers. So anyone that's familiar with poor guy outdoor cooking knows that he loves sausage. So for the cook, I'm going to do I'm going to cook up some of these Eckrich beef smoked sausage out on the Monument Grill. I've got some diced up jalapenos and some ricos premium cheddar. I'm going to cook that up. I'm going to slice it up, and I'm going to warm up some of this cheddar with the jalapeno, bring it in the house. It'd be a nice little holiday appetizer. If you're going to come to the poor guy household for holiday, you're going to get some sausage because that's what we like. And more importantly, I'm giving away some stuff from Monument Grills. Monument Grills got a hold of me and said, "Hey, Rob, or poor guy, we got two things we want you to give away." Okay, number one is going to be a $250 gift certificate for Monument Grills. And number two, a desktop griddle. It's a 5600 desktop griddle. And I'm going to share all this information. There's a whole bunch of contest rules. And we'll go over that at the end of the video, but we'll start with the cook. So, yes, big part of this video is going to be a great two-part giveaway from Monument Grills. So, be excited. I'm going to go out and get things ready, get this all good to go. We're going to cook it out on the G22 that they had sent me a while back. And yeah, it'll be fun. And stay tuned towards the end because I've got a whole list of rules if anyone's interested in either one of two prizes, a $250 gift card and a desktop griddle from Monument Grills. So let me go out, get things ready, and meet me outside. All right, peace. All right, so I got things going. This is for our cook, a little Monument G22, exceptional little two-burner. Oh boy. Okay, that's okay. Yeah, neighbor across the street's going for a stroll, and the dogs, they don't really like that. So anyway, so back to here's your jalapenos cut up. I don't know how many I used. I mean, if this is something you're interested in doing, add as many or as little as you want. Here's the Ricos. You know, we've used this before. I just got it at Walmart. It's premium cheddar. Let's open it up. So here's my plan. We're going to get this warming up a little bit on the Monument Grill. And I just dropped my spoon. I'll be right back. Clean spoon. Let's get this cheddar in here. Oh, yeah. This is cheddar cheese. Okay, Frodo. He's about half a mile away now, so... Yeah, you're good. You really told him to stay away. That's a good boy. Yep. Get this cheese going. Got a little sizzle. Ain't nothing wrong with that. I'm just going to mix this up. I'm going to warm this up on here for a little bit. And then we're going to get the sausage going. What I'll do is just take this. It smells really good. Take this in the house and just kind of get it on the stove and keep it warm while we're cooking the sausage out here. Let's turn these burners down. I have them on high. So it's a typical poor guy recipe. You know, if you're going to have some folks over for the holidays, Thanksgiving, Christmas is coming up, right? It's just something you can eat, watching some football, chilling out. It's a simple dish. While you have one partner cooking the turkey and all that stuff, you kind of just come out here and get this done too. Yeah, something just like that. Cheddar jalapeno sausage. We'll slice that sausage up after it's cooked. That spoon is just trouble today, just trouble. And we're just going to dip them in there. I think it'll be really good. I think it will. I think it will. Okay, come on back and we'll get this on, and we'll get to the important part where we talk about the giveaways. Okay, peace. Here we go. Eckrich skinless beef smoked sausage. It's made with premium beef. Easy open. Let's see. Dawn asked me, she said, "Do you want to do that on camera?" And I said, yes. So I got these two burners on. They're on low right now. Look at, they do open easily. So we're just going to get these warmed up. They're fully cooked, like I said. And obviously, depending on how many people you're going to be entertaining, buy that many sausage, depending on how much more food you have. So I took that skillet of premium cheddar cheese and jalapenos and just set it in on the oven right now, keeping that warm while we get the sausage cooked up. You know, we're also going to be eating this for lunch, of course. So, yeah. So we'll get a little char on those buggers. That's right, honey, on the Monument Grill's G22 portable outdoor grill. And then when we get done, I'll give this a taste test, and we'll talk about the official rules on what you have to do to win the $250 gift card and the Desktop Griddle from Monument Grills. So there is some things that you need to do, and I think it's fair. Everything's fair. And yeah, we're not going to do, as long as the sausage is cooking up and I got some time, we're not going to do a big old crazy computerized picking names. All right. So when I tell you the rules and you do follow them, we're basically going to write the names down on a piece of paper, stick everyone in that qualifies for it in a hat, and we're going to pick out one winner for the $250 gift card and one winner for the Monument Grill. And I'm going to save the names that didn't win. I'm going to save two of them. If the rules aren't followed, I'll have two different people that could win if the first people didn't follow the rules. Does that make sense? I think so. All right, just stay tuned. I'm trying to get this all explained. Yeah. So when we get done with this, and we get done tasting that fantastic cheddar jalapeno sauce on this smoked sausage, then we'll talk about the official rules. All right, peace. So look at this is your typical poor guy appetizer, sausage, of course, and the cheddar jalapeno dip. I'm just going to go ahead and give this a try. I've never done this. I've never had it, but it just seemed like a good idea to me. Cheers, everybody. That's good. The smoked sausage by itself is very good. The jalapeno and the cheddar. That's tasty. Just an idea. Wait a minute. Just an idea. Something for a holiday appetizer. The jalapeno cheddar. That's really good. And keep that in mind. I do like it with the sausage. It's pretty good. Okay. That is a tasty little deal right there. All right. I did write down the rules so I don't screw this up. Anyone that subscribed to Poor Guy understands. Okay, so for the giveaway, and number one, I'm going to pick the winners on the video will be up November 21st. Okay, so it's one $250 gift card for Monument Grills. It'll be valid for 30 days from date of issue. And then the 5600 Desktop Griddle. We can go ahead and look it up on their website and see what that's all about. Winner's going to be announced on the 21st. I'm just going to pick names from a hat. So this is what you got to do. You, if you're not already, you have to subscribe to my channel, Poor Guy Outdoor Cooking. You have to subscribe to Monument Grills. They have a YouTube channel. Subscribe to Poor Guy Outdoor Cooking and subscribe to Monument Grills. You got to like the video and leave a comment. This is the comment that I just came up with it. You have to comment whatever you want, but it has to say, I love Monument Grills. I love Monument Grills. That has to be in the comment. So subscribe to Poor Guy Outdoor Cooking, subscribe to Monument Grills, and leave a comment. Leave a comment. I love Monument Grills. Monument Grills will be having a Black Friday sale. The sale will kick off the 21st, and I will share a link for that in the description box of this video. And when we do pick the winners, okay, so you'll have to email me the two winners. Email me, and my email is on my my info page on YouTube, but I'll try to share that in the description box too. So you have to email me, the two that we pick. Email me, and here's the deal. Whoever wins, the two different winners, you have to send me in the email a screenshot, okay? A screenshot of being subscribed to me and to Monument Grills. And that's how Monument Grills came up with, the proof that you're subscribed to both channels. So the two winners, that's what you'll have to do. And I'll reiterate that when we go ahead and pick the two winners. I think that's it. I've never done a giveaway before, so this is brand new to us. And yeah, I think it's pretty good stuff right before Christmas. And again, I'll share a link. They're having a big Black Friday sale on the 21st as well. So a $250 gift card for Monument Grills, and you can get some stuff. And that little griddle, it's probably about the same size as that one there. That's fun to have. What the hey? So that's what we got going on. I think that's it. I'm going to eat some more of this because it's good. All right, so like I said, on the 21st, we'll be doing a video of the winners. And then I'll just reiterate what you have to do when you win. I think that's it. What do you think, honey?
Yeah.
Peace.